Hey, I'm Dallas Tung with KW Luxury, and behind me we have a 2,800 square foot home, 3 beds, 3 baths, 3-car garage, lots of upgrades in there, also city and mountain views. Asking price $825,000. We are in the Anthem community. Great schools, great landscaping here, and of course French doors, nice glass design. Just take a look inside. Okay, walking into the front entrance, we have formal dining room on the left side, a family room on the right side. Then you have this office area that is like front, with French doors and stuff like that. So beautiful 24 by 48 Italian tile down here. Love it. It's great. It looks really nice. And then as we keep walking into the house, you have your coat closet in here. Then you're gonna have your living quarters over here. So we're gonna come this way. Another linen closet, coat closet in here. This is going to be your linen closet. And then we have an ensuite over here. So take a look. Okay, so back out into this hallway. Now we're gonna go into the master suite. Nice 5-inch baseboards that they upgraded here. Nice heights in this master suite. And then you turn this way, you'll have the bathroom. In the primary bathroom, we have 2 vanities, waterfall edge, quartz countertop, upgraded shower as well, built-in custom cabinets in the closet, standalone tub, and then as you look through these windows, beautiful view. Okay, so now that we've talked about the primary suite, forgot to mention there is access out to the backyard from this room. So that's a big convenience so that you don't have to walk all the way around the house to go outside. Back in the hallway, up here, homeowner added some ambient lighting, so nighttime is gonna look really nice. Coming into the kitchen area, we have the waterfall edge, marble, and then you have the quartz countertop, black matte with backsplash. Of course, your GE stainless steel appliances, which is all brand new. Okay, so before we go check out the living area, the living room, family room, we're gonna go into this side of the wing. 5-inch baseboards, the Italian tile all throughout. You have the central vac throughout the house as well. So hook up right here, full bath, full bedroom right here, laundry room, and then right behind you is the 3-car garage. Okay, so let's go back out to the living room area. You have another formal dining area, living area. The homeowner initially thought about removing this whole thing. Peter, what do you think? Should they have removed it? I kind of like it. It looks nice. The fireplace, you got both sides. You still have a dining area, So.
I actually like that it's there. That matches what's under the island.
Yeah. Yep, and the matte quartz countertop is matching with the countertop over there. So, out this way you have kind of vaulted ceilings and then shutters. And keep in mind, everything that you see here, they're also willing to, part ways with all the furniture. So if you're looking for a house that's fully furnished, here you go. Let's go out and check out this yard. So coming out to the backyard, we have overhead covers right here from the house from the west to the east. And then behind me, we have that overlook area. As we keep going down, we have nice sized side yard with, walkway, paved trees and everything. And then we're going to come to this side. Great views. You have Mount Charleston, Red Rock right over there. Sunset views are awesome. All All right, so this is the end of the tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this, this house. If you know anyone interested, or if you're interested, hit me up, Dallas Tung at kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668. And of course, follow, subscribe for more real estate tips and more house tours like these. Thanks for watching.